Good morning, boys and girls. It is I, Mr. Champ. This is Wednesday, September 23rd, 2020. Now, this is actually our first YouTube video of the school year. And special shout out and special thanks to my fourth grader from last year, who is now a fifth grader, and his name is Raheem. Raheem wanted me to continue with the YouTube videos for our classroom, and that is what I'm going to do. So Raheem, this one is for you. Now, today, boys and girls, we are going to get started into learning how to do long division. You asked about it last week. Well, here it is. Now, there's nothing else to talk about. I need to switch positions, go to the table, and let's do some long division. Wow. Okay, boys and girls, if you look, we have the number 3 divided by 2,367. And if you read it the other way, it's 2,367 divided by the number 3. Now, 3, or any number on this side, is our divider. Our number inside the bracket is known as our dividend. Now, if you look over here, I have a bunch of words. Let's look at the words in the blue. We have dad, we have mom, we have sister, we have brother, we have rover. Now, dad stands for divide. Here's my division symbol. Here's the word. Mom stands for multiply. Sister stands for subtract. And brother stands for bring down. Now, bring down is any number over here that we need to bring down when we are solving our problem. We'll get to that step in a few. And then rover. Rover is our family pet. It can be a puppy or it can be a kitten. It doesn't matter. But rover will do it over. Also, if you look right here on this side, I added a T-chart. Now, a T-chart will help you with your multiplication facts. If you do not know your numbers, when you multiply all the way to 10, that is okay because this T-chart will help you, okay? Now, if we look at our divider right here, we have the number 3. So we're dealing with groups of 3. Now, in order to know the fact family for 3, I have my number 3 right here, and then I have my 3 dots. My 3 dots symbolize the number that I am going to multiply. Now, if you look at it, if I do the number 3 times 1, that will give me 3. If I do 3 times 2, well, all I need to do is add 3 dots to my number 3. Now, 3 plus 3 is 3, right here, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 3, 12. 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 3, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 plus 3, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 plus 3, 22, 23, 24. 24 plus 3, 25, 26, 27. And 27 plus 3, 28, 29, and 30. Now I will pause it so you can look at it. And if you can tell, since I have all my numbers, when I want to know my multiplication, 3 times 1 will give me 3. 3 times 2 will give me 6. 3 times 3 will give me 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 9, 27. And 3 times 10, 30. If you use this T-chart, boys and girls, I promise you, you will not get your stuff wrong. If I'm dealing with the number 7, only thing I need to do is change my 3 to a 7 and then put my 7 dots instead of 3 dots. Then I do 7 times 1, 7 times 2, 7 times 3, 7 times 4, and keep on going. If I have the number 5, change the 7, put a 5, and then I'll have 5 dots. 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3, 5 times 4. If you do that, you will definitely get your question correct. I highly recommend you utilize the T-chart, okay? It is here to help. Now, let's get to solving this problem. Looking at it, 2,367 divided by 3. Once again, 3 is our divider. 2,367 is our dividend. First step, we have to look at Dad. And Dad is going to divide. Can I fit a group of 3 into a group of 2? No, I cannot. It's not going to happen. In order to make it happen, I need to look at both digits. Is 23 big enough to fit my number 3 in? You are correct. Yes. Now, if I'm looking at 23 and I need to see how many groups of 3 can actually go into 23, I need to look over here in my anchor chart. Not my anchor chart, my T-chart. We do anchor charts so much, I got them flipped around, but that's okay. Okay, we need to go down here to our T-chart and find a number that is close to 23 without going over. Let's scroll down. I see 21, I see 24. Well, I automatically know the number 24 is quite bigger than 23. So the next number without going over 23 is 21. And that lets me know 3 times 7 will equal 21. Now what I need to do is put my number 7 right here above my 3. And 7 times 3 is 21. Now, if you backtrack, I already did one step. I did divide. I figured out how many groups of 3 can go into 23. Now, my next step, multiply. I done that. I did 3 times 7. That gave me 21. Now, my next step, I have to look at sister. And sister is going to let me subtract. Now, I need to subtract. So I have 23 minus 21. That will come out to be what? What's 3 minus 1? 2. Now we subtract it. Now we need to talk to our brother. And brother is going to help us to bring the number down. Now this is what I was talking about. We're going to have to bring a number down. We have to go to the next place value, the next available number to the right, and our number is 6. We need to bring down our number 6. Okay? Here's our little arrow, and we're going to bring this number down, and then it becomes 26. We're finished with brother. Well, we need to go to our family pet, Rover. And Rover is going to do it over. So that means we're going to go right there to the very beginning and start all over again. Now, let's divide. How many groups of 3 can I fit in the number 26? Well, let's take a little stroll down memory lane and come over here to our T-chart. I'm trying to find what number I can get to that's at 26 or close to 26 without going over 26. Well, I have 21, I have 24, I have 27. Well, 27 is entirely too big. I cannot fit a group of 27 into a group of 26. That makes no sense. Let's go down one. 24. That's our next closest number without going over 26. Well, let's look over here. Here's 8. I know I'm dealing with 3, so 3 times 8 will give me 24. I need to put my number 8 to the next available place value, and here's my number 8. So we're done with divide. Now we go to multiply. We just did it. 8 times 3 will give me 24. 8 times 3, 24. Now I need to go back to my sister, and she's going to let me subtract. 6 minus 4 equals what? 6. 5, 4, 3, 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now I can go and talk to my brother. Hey, bro, I need you to bring that number down for me. All right, I got you. And our last available number is 7. So we're going to bring our 7 all the way down. And now we have 27. Now we're going to Rover. And Rover is going to do it all over and go back and start from the very beginning. Now we're going to go back and we're talking to Dad. Dad, how many groups of 3 can I fit into the number 27? Well, Dad is going to let me know that I need to go to my T-chart. Let's find a number that's close to 27 or right at 27 without actually going over 27. Let's see. 15, 18, 21, 24. Oh, look at that. 27. What is that times? 9. That lets me know 3 times 9 equals 27. Well, I need to put my 9 in the last place value. And like Mom told me, multiply. 9 times 3 equals 27. Sister, oh sister, what should I do? Yes, subtract. And we have 27 minus 27 equals 0. Well, brother has nothing else for me to bring down. So let's go to the next one. Rover. Well, if there's nothing else to bring down, then Rover will not be able to do it all the way over. So we have come to a conclusion, and our answer is 789. Therefore, 2,367 divided by 3 comes out to be 789. If you need to go back and look at this, boys and girls, Mr. Champ is right here. You can fast forward me, you can rewind me, you can pause me. Make sure you copy this down, and I will see you on Thursday.